Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into your Google account. Make sure you use a browser so settings are visible. Verify a recovery email and phone number now, because Google uses these for account recovery and backup codes. Once signed in, navigate to Security and open two-step verification. This is the control center for multi-factor options. Start the setup process. You'll be prompted to confirm your password again, which prevents unauthorized changes, so enter it to proceed. Once you're in two-step verification, choose a method that fits your needs. Authenticator app for offline codes, SMS for convenience, or a physical security key for maximum protection. If you pick an app, install Google Authenticator, open it, and scan the on-screen QR code. This links your device to the account. If you choose a security key, follow the prompts to register it. Make sure to generate and securely store backup codes after setup. These save you if a device is lost. You finish by verifying the new second factor. Enter a code or tap your security key to confirm it works. Once done, add at least one fallback option, like a secondary phone or an extra security key, and save backup codes in a password manager or locked file. Make sure device time is correct, because authenticator codes depend on it. If something fails, resync your phone's clock, update the Authenticator app, or use backup codes to regain access. That completes the setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.